think a multi-million-dollar titan is invincible. Watch this harvester sink helplessly into the mud like a fallen empire. A golden cascade roars into the transport, but suddenly the mighty tracks are bogged down. Defeat seems imminent, but look at the commander in the cabiner, knowing smirk. Tactical supremacy isn't about raw horsepower. It's relentless half-track engineering and a massive header devouring obstacles. Escaping the quagmire is just strategy. How did we reach this level of mechanized warfare? Rewind to expose agriculture's greatest rivalry. The flashy green commander, Claas, faces a phantom black strategist sweeping the front lines. Enter the Fendt IDEAL 10T-less, a tractor, more a stealth bomber rewriting global harvesting rules. To understand this beast, dive into history. 1930s Germany. Engineers forging iron into clunky machines, embedding an unyielding, militant DNA. It is a classic tale of iron and willpower. John Deere is the American dream. Claas is the decorated champion. Fendt, the battle-scarred iron shovel your grandfather kept. Parked side by side, its parade ground. Polish versus frontline survival. Inside, it's eerily calm. The chassis spits straw, then surges forward like a heavy tank breaking enemy lines. The heartbeat, a 790 horsepower Juggernaut, matching Claas blow for blow. But on this battlefield, engine power is merely a deterrent. The real executioner, a dual Helix rotor, it interrogates every stalk. The genius is its mercy grain, falls softly, minimizing damage like a precision strike. Flat plains are easy, but deploy two soaked hills where lesser machines wave the white flag. Fendt marches into hostile territory effortlessly. Obliterating mud while offloading spoils to a parallel transport, pure tactical arrogance. Watch the casualties. An older rig struggles on the incline. Internal sieves panic, spitting good grain into the dirt. A catastrophic resource, enter IDEALbalance. On a slope, the system countersteers automatically, maintaining a dead flat distribution plane. No tactical leaks. Artillery barrage time. The massive auger deploys, unleashing a high-velocity golden payload. Logistical efficiency at its peak. The pilot holds the line, locking into a flawless, synchronized, mechanized ballet. This agricultural arms race mirrors a fierce geopolitical chessboard. While older models struggle up the incline like battered infantry, Fendt accelerates with a deafening roar, charging forward like an armored division, shattering all defensive lines. The header grinds through every obstacle. The operator's stoic expression in the cabin is the ultimate proof of modern warfare philosophy. Controlling brute force through microengineering, the IDEAL doesn't stand alone. It's an entire fleet perfectly customized for any territorial scale. Every upgrade is a calculated, strategic move. Despite treacherous, muddy terrain threatening to swallow it whole, this black fortress relentlessly pushes through, turning geographic vulnerabilities into absolute advantages. Front tracks plow the earth, rear tires maintain nimble maneuvering, towing a rock-solid logistical supply chain. This is the zenith of the IDEAL 10 Tino deadweight, no blind spots. Sitting at the exact same price point, deployed on the exact same latitude, yet operating on two radically different tactical doctrines, are you blinded by the flash, or do you trust the silent, enduring momentum of Fendt? Look over there. Claas flexes its violent strength with a torrential grain discharge, forcing its opponent into a suffocating race. In retaliation, Fendt delivers a lethal counterstrike with a smooth, controlled flow, preserving component integrity and eliminating mechanical attrition over the long campaign. This historic showdown will never truly end. Claas was born a Vanguard general, a blitzkrieg darling loved by the masses. Fendt is the profound strategist, calculating the long war, prioritizing absolute survival. Standing before tens of thousands of hectares, the command is yours. The Vanguard or the Strategist? Who will you choose?